Think about the most private conversations you have online. Maybe it's financial details, personal health updates, or just a really embarrassing meme exchange. Now, imagine a hacker reading every single word. Scary, right? The reality is, a simple password is often not enough to protect your most popular direct messaging apps. And if an attacker gains control of your account, they don't just see your past chats, they can impersonate you to your contacts, opening up a whole new world of scams and security risks. That's where two-factor authentication, or 2FA, becomes your digital superpower. 2FA adds a critical second barrier to entry. Instead of just needing something you know, your password or a code sent to your phone, it requires something else you have, like a unique PIN you set up yourself. This small extra step turns an account hack from a simple password leak into a nearly impossible mission. Let's look at how to set this up in the 3 most popular secure messaging apps. First, WhatsApp. They call it two-step verification. Head to your settings, tap account, and find two-step verification. You'll be prompted to create a unique 6-digit PIN. Crucially, WhatsApp will periodically ask you for this PIN when you use the app, ensuring you don't forget it. It also lets you add a recovery email. Don't skip this, as it's the only way to reset your PIN if you forget it. Next up, Telegram. Their system is just called two-step verification and functions similarly. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select two-step verification. Here, you create a password that acts as your second factor. It's important to know that Telegram only uses end-to-end encryption in secret chats, so their 2FA is key to stopping a complete account takeover if someone gets your SMS code. Finally, the privacy-focused favorite, Signal. Signal takes a slightly different approach, calling it registration lock. In Settings, navigate to Privacy, and look for registration lock. This sets a PIN that is required anytime you re-register your phone number with Signal, like if you lose your device or get a new one. Without this PIN, even a SIM swapper cannot register your number and access your account. The takeaway is simple: your password alone is a single lock on a treasure chest of private information. 2FA is the reinforced steel vault door. Take 5 minutes right now to turn on this essential feature in all your messaging apps. It's the simplest and most effective security step you can take today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.